Hey, it's Sherelle Wolford from Keller Williams Advantage 2 in Waterford Lakes, here to tell you about my Midsummer Splash giveaway. My friends and I are giving away 4 tickets to Universal's Volcano Bay. One lucky winner will receive 4 passes to Volcano Bay, and they are courtesy of me and my generous friends at Paramount Residential Mortgage Group and First American Title. Entering is easy. All you have to do is call the number below on Thursday, July 7th, anytime between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. That's Thursday, July 7th, between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. Don't worry, we'll be reminding you again. During that phone call, you'll be registered to win those Volcano Bay tickets, and you'll have 3 more chances to win a gift card to one of our favorite local restaurants. And all you have to do is make a phone call. More info coming soon. Can't wait to talk to you.